This is the LittleBits and Processing Etch-a-sketch demo. This is the processing program that I'm running on my Windows PC that reads data from the Arduino and displays it as a pseudo Etch-a-sketch in this window here. Instead of using two dimmer controls, I'm using two oscillators from the synthesizer kit with sawtooth. This oscillator is providing the X direction and this one's providing the Y. So what I've basically done is I converted the Etch-a-sketch program into an actual oscilloscope style. So if I slow down the Y oscillator, you can see that it's basically now I speed it up again, you can get a very familiar style waveform being displayed. Obviously I can also speed up the scanning rate, and obviously you can do all sorts of weird things at that point and have a lot of fun. So this is basically taking the Etch-a-sketch program and just using two oscillators. Now in principle what I should be able to do is replace, say, the oscillator and drive it through, say, the filter. Let's see if that works. What I should be able to do here now is generate a lot of different types of waveform, and as for instance, I turn the filter down to its low frequency, I can turn it back up again and give it more and more, so it's looking much more like a so we can do, for instance, a low pass on this, and it should generate a smoother waveform. And turn on the high frequency, or we can even turn up the resonance. See what happens. Ooh, look at that. So it does also weird things. So basically we have an oscilloscope using the Etch-a-sketch. Isn't that fun? Now what I want to point out, one of the reasons I did this in the first place, was a lot of people are having problems getting the serial port to connect. And in order to do this, what I did, I actually know that my COM port on my Arduino is on port 33. And so actually, instead of using the serial list command and using an index, I just put the string in here because it's the same information, but it's fixed, so there's no issue with getting that wrong. At worst, it just says it can't connect.